Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid for hair. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air into your hair. This incredible ingredient can deeply hydrate your scalp and hair, making it feel softer and look shinier. It also helps reduce frizz and can even strengthen your strands, preventing breakage. When choosing a product, always check the ingredient list. You want hyaluronic acid to be among the first few ingredients to ensure its potency. Serums and leave-in conditioners are excellent options for direct application. Make sure the product aligns with your hair type, whether it's fine, thick, oily, or dry. Steer clear of harsh chemicals that might counteract its benefits. For optimal results, apply hyaluronic acid to damp, towel-dried hair. This allows the ingredient to effectively bind with water. Start with a small amount, perhaps a pea-sized drop for shorter or finer hair, and adjust as needed. Distribute it evenly from your mid-lengths to the ends. If you have a dry scalp, gently massage a tiny bit directly onto your scalp. For best results, incorporate hyaluronic acid into your routine 2 to 3 times per week. Pairing it with a hydrating shampoo and conditioner can amplify its benefits, creating a comprehensive moisture regimen. Remember, consistency is crucial. Store your products in a cool, dry place to maintain their efficacy. With regular use, you'll notice significantly healthier and more moisturized hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.